Hello, can you hear me? Okay, it's perfectly fine. Now you can hear me. Okay, all right. All right, people. Welcome on board, everyone. This is the Agri Hands that you are watching on your screen. I hope it's visible to you. You may see the home screen, how it's look like whenever you will come the first time on the side, it would be look like this. Okay, so what is the special thing in it that will gonna help you a lot to you? So it holds many things in itself. So it need a person to use wisely or feasibly so that they can get a maximum output from this platform. How you can do that? We are going to learn step by step. I just said the new feature in this, which is Agri Talks, like where you can practice your English, whether you can join. Let's just open. Okay, you have to see just whenever you'll register, you'll get this, and you need to fill all the details required to make your account for Agri Talks, where you'll find whether you can join the peer learning speaking groups, whether you can find one-to-one mentor. For that, it's free now, but after few days it will be required to pay a bit of amount to join you, and then last we have the random match. You just have to click on that. You'll get connect with someone randomly who will also there to just practice his or herself. How do you find is that interesting or not? Okay, nevertheless, let's come on board. From starting we learn everything that is required to know that. Okay, for like every day we have the first feature on board is that Agri School, in which you have everything required for your agriculture education. Whether you are a student from 11th class, 12th class, MSc, PhD, BSc, whatever your class is, you have to find your stuff here. Whether you are gonna go for, okay, second people on board, welcome on board, guys. Okay, let's understand from the starting so that people can get understood everything in very simple manner, right? Okay, so this is AgriHands, guys. This is the home page that you are watching. I hope it is visible to you. Okay, so in the header section, you have lots of option. Agri school, agri talks, agri AI, library, tools, schemes, community, mentor, events, jobs, big blogs, sorry, big, what is big, contact, everything. So first option is that agri school. There is, let me just click on that. When you'll double tap on it, it will be look like this. It is a section for agriculture education. Everything that is you required to know that regarding with your agriculture education will be provided to you. Like whether you are a student from 11th, 12th, MSc, PhD, BSc, whatever your class is, and what is your semester is that every for every class a particular course is dedicated, which will be available to you here in this section. You can join as a student of a first semester, second semester, third semester, fourth, five, six, seven job here. It is up to you, so that in which class do you are studying right now. So you guys can log in you are studying. So the another thing that we have is that the MSc Agriculture. What is your department is in which you are doing study right now? All the department are listed here. You can join the courses for that also is available here. If you're a student of the PhD, then your full section will be visible to you. Whether you are a diploma student, then all the things will be available to you in this section. Or 11, 12, I already mentioned. All right. The another thing that we have in the agri Agri school is that universities wise exam, government exam. Okay, it is showing me the error just because of that. I did not register. I did not log in properly. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, let me just go to again on the same page. Okay, so we cover the agriculture college. Then second section that we have is that the government job. If you are someone who are preparing for the government job, you will find everything, every government exam preparation courses all here in this one section. It would be according to state wise, it would be according to the class wise, it would be according to the level of administration. So everything will be available to you here. If you are preparing for the entrance exam, like whether we have in Rajasthan JET, every state have their own exam. So state wise exam would be appeared here. So you guys have to go here just to join these. Notes library, all the notes will be available to you here. Just you have to just double tap on it. You will be able to download all the things. All right. Mock test still it is showing because I'm not login right now. It's just because of that. The previous year papers, Agri ebooks, Q Center, Research Hub, Career Guidance, live classes, Agri News, University Directory, everything that is required to know that is available here in this section of Agri School. I hope that is clear to you. It's a fully Indian agriculture learning ecosystem that I built here so that you guys don't have to go for the different platforms for learning different things. All right. I hope it's clear to you. Let's move to the next one. There is Agri Talks. Okay, AgriTalks is the new feature that I just built it recently before 2 hours ago. What is that? If someone who want to practice their English or Hindi, if someone is from the south and he want to practice Hindi, so that guy can come here and join this section after login and can practice their language according and required language they want to learn by clicking on these things, whether in peer rooms, whether find they can find the mentor as well, and they can find the random match as well. Okay, it's free of course. It is available, and very soon it would be will be working within a period of few months. So this is the things where you can practice your Hindi, English, whatever language you want to learn. You'll find people here. You will just click on random match. You will be connect with the person who is looking for the learning same language. So you guys can connect easily by this clicking on this on these three options that we have in the downside. All right. I hope you were listening very carefully. The third thing that we have is the Agri AI. What is it? What is this Agri AI is that if you are someone who have doubt, any sort of doubt would be clear regarding with agriculture. You just have to put your doubt here. You have to just write it in whatever your language is, Hindi, Malayalam, Telugu. You just have to write and you just have to launch here. Whether, for example, we can take like that. If you are a student from MSc Soil Science and you are looking for the best 20 soil science question out there, so just you have to click on that and you have to fill this and you just have to launch. Click on the launch button. Then you have your questions ready. You can simply download it all your questions just by clicking on that PDF also. There is a no rocket science. And the special thing about this Agri AI is that you can select your mode as well. There are the different mode. Whether you are farmer, whether you are a student, whether you are someone who is looking for to solve that out. So that okay, it's a lovely. So Agri AI is just free for you, and you guys can use it. Go and try out your solve to your doubts. Okay. Alright. Alright, people. The new thing that we have is that the library. Okay, the free stuff would be added here, whether it's a PDF, PPT, Excel sheet, whatever it is. The free stuff there is for the users will be provided here. It is free for everyone. Everyone can download it by just single tick on the download button. Alright. Okay, it's available for everyone. You guys can come here. Just you can check out all the things that is available here. Let's move to the next one. What is the tools? Tools are the very crucial segment that I add on the side, which is you need to know that on the first place. What is in this tool section? The first thing that you have to see if you are someone who is running mushroom business from a very long time, and you have to You have to every time you have to calculate everything. You just need a pen and paper. Then after this agreements, you will not need to worry about that. You just have to come on the website. You just have to fill your details regarding with your business. Just click on the calculate button. You have everything ready just by the single click. Like what is the revenue, total cost, net profit, and ROI. Everything will be just in the 2 seconds. The other few more options that we have on the site is that if you are someone who is the owner of dairy business, then in on the everyday basis they have to calculate everything that is required to uh, on the perspective of number calculation or a unit economics, so that you guys can calculate by the filling this simple detail or basic detail of regarding with your business. You don't have to go for the complicated calculation on the paper pen or by the pen or paper. So I built this to make this simple for you. Whether you are for the goat farm owner, whether you are running a poultry business, whether you are running vermicompost business, polyhouse crop, and this is the something fertilizer as well. The, like we have to use in agriculture education in the BSc, MSc, or for the calculation of the fertilizer, we have to use formula 100 divided by percentage of nitrogen available into 100. So you don't have to go for that complicated or that much hard work. You just have to come on the platform. Just you have to fill the detail, how much recommended dose are you have to apply, and the per kg password available and everything that you just have to fill, and your calculation will be provided just by on the single click. And yield calculation also can be done by filling this basic detail. I hope this section is very amazing. There is something, yeah, I think it's crucial for everyone who is in agriculture. In future also, I'll add more tools in this, so that uh, as many as many problems that can be solved very easily, that would be good for the student or the community. All right, let's move to the next one. Schemes. What is the scheme section? Is that this scheme section is about for everyone, whether they are farmer, whether they are rural agriculture youth, whether you are an agriculture student. I want to list out all the scheme that is going on in our country. Uh, in the school section, whether it is a state wise, whether it is in the whole country. So all the government or private schemes will be listed here, so that anybody who is looking for the different schemes, they don't have to go for the different portal to know about that. This would be the single platform. This would be the single section where all the schemes will be provided to you, will be listed here, so that you guys don't have to go for the different thing, or you don't have to spend lots of time on these things to search about the single things or many things at the same time. So it will help you to reduce your time for searching the different, and it would be the very feasible to you access the to knowing about what is the new things going on in your country to help you out. All right, so that you can leverage the government information through it by the single click. All the things will be provided to you at the exam point of view. If you are learning for the regarding with the scheme, so that is also going to benefit for you in that point of view. All right. What is the community? Okay, this is again the very important one, and this is my personal favorite. What is this community section? Is that you guys have to just come on the platform. You just have to click on community section. You have just this. You will face this interface. You just have to click on this new post. You have to write the title of your doubt. If you are suffering from any of doubt, any of the information you are looking for, you just have to write the title, and you have to write your subject body here. What you want to ask, everything you can write here, and you just have to click on the post button. Then your doubt will be post on the community section. If someone who is a very professional, who is a very expert in this field, because all the people will be from the agri community, they'll answer you just by replying their point of view, so that you can have different answer by mentioning you. So everybody imagine that if there is a retired professor who will come here, and you are a student, you have some doubt. If you are a farmer, and someone from KVK is working through the community section, he can give the answer by just clicking on the new post, and this is gonna to create value for them. This section is very beautiful and it's designed for the helping the people out who are seeking for the solution. Please, who is coming to new gem, like from the education background, 11, 12, or is use this section very responsibly because I don't want to sit here any of kind of immaturity here. Just genuinely, uh, solution should be the soul on the platform. I want genuinely create the value for the people out there who is looking for the solution. So please do not create the abusive thing and all the you know any of the immature stuff here. This is not your playing side. So please keep in mind so that we can generate the people for who is in our community who belongs to our. All right, next section we have is that the mentor section. Okay, who is these people are? Like, if imagine that someone is a retired professor, someone is a dean from any of the college, someone who is in government department, who have been a very senior level position, whether on the in a state on state level a position like a joint director, senior joint director, so he's retired now, but he hold the great knowledge regarding the agriculture. So that if imagine that if anybody is suffering from the any of suggestion, any of the information, any of the problem solution he's looking for, but now he don't have access to these people, so that you guys can connect to these mentor. Like these would be the very superior expert people, whether they can from the teacher as well, assistant professor, associate professor, dean, VC, HOD, everything, or joint director, all the professional people, those who are retired or those who are in their uh, working job, they can register as a mentor here so that they can create the value itself after the retire as well because they have the so many years after the completing their job as well, so they can still generate the value for people who is looking out there for the farmer, for the student, for everyone who belongs to the community, right? So this is the platform they design. They can fix their fees according to them, and that's it. That's all about it. All right. Let's move to the next one. This is the event section. Like in a country, uh, step by step, we have to see this section is that we can say like every university have to conduct so many conferences, boot camp, seminar, webinar, and different organizations also do the same thing. So they do have to conduct webinar training program so that they can register here, and student who are looking for this training and bootcamp seminar, they can register here. They have to just come here, they can register. You don't have to go for the different sites to register. That all the things will be provided to you. Everything that is going on regarding the agriculture, regarding to learning new opportunities, whether someone wanted to say their skills, their knowledge to the community, they have to just their seminar, webinar, bootcamp, everything according to their plan. They can just promote their event, just have to register it, and the student can join it by clicking on the join section. All right, I hope it's clear to you. Okay, the, the second last thing that we have is that very crucial for community is that if anybody who is looking for the job in agriculture sector, they can come here, and anybody who is recruiter in the sector, they can post the recruitment here. They have to just come here, they register themselves as a recruiter. They can start posting their jobs here so that student can join throughout the filling their details. So this is the section that is designed for especially for the job oriented section that we can call it is a simple agriculture LinkedIn that we call. All right. So I hope it would work for people. Uh, I will hope that the recruiter will come and people can get job out the plot out of the platform itself, right? So it can be helpful for those as well. And last we have the blog section. This blog section is about like what is the trending topics going on in agriculture right now across the country and out of the country as well, so that any of the new research or new technologies will be published here. So everything will be here, so you guys can get everything research paper regarding with the new research that is in trend in different countries as well. So you guys can simply access all the things just by clicking on the blog section. And if you are facing anything like any trouble by using this platform, like trouble in throughout the logging, join anything and facing the error, just you have to just click on this button to go get free guidance on the WhatsApp, how to use it properly and wisely. So you guys can just write, jot down your query so that it can be resolved at any point of time, right? And lastly, I would like to say that this all the things that you are watching, okay, let me just go through the simple and most importantly thing, which is which is the core part of this platform is that and for that also I built this site. What is the purpose to build this whole site that I missed? Oh my God, sorry for that. How how crazy, how insane I am. The main thing I forgot to tell you is that okay, David, sorry. Okay, you can see the simply this interface. You have to just search what kind of physical training, hands-on experience you are looking for in agriculture. You just have to type here like you wanna experience of fish farming, soil lab, or goat farming, or mushroom training, what vermicompost, whatever your training type is you are looking for. You just have to select here in this course section, and you have to write your area pin code where you want to learn, which is very near to you. You just have to type here whether just like I want in quota, so just I have to go for the search button. I'll get all the training, nearby training, which is dealing in teaching to student or people the new farming technology, anything that is in trend, so that guys can go there and they can learn everything by paying the certain amount of fee. Like we know agriculture by the theoretical perspective, in perspective view, but we won't learn agriculture by going on field, and you simply gain hands-on experience in agriculture, everything regarding whether it is a mushroom, goat farming, dairy farming, whatever it is. So we can learn it through by joining these training units which is nearby you. And the many things that are also listed. There are lots of practical courses that I design. After the completion these practical courses, you can join the physical training so that you have the right exposure, because I think because companies are looking for the professional one who have the real experience and exposure regarding with the work, not regarding with the like only theory portion. So that this is very crucial for you to learn these things. So it's good for you. Just pick any of the course there is you are looking for and learn everything regarding with that, and you just fill your detail out there, whether it's a pin code and in which course that you want to learn the your experience, uh, real agriculture experience. Just you have to book your training nearby you, so you guys can have a practical exposure of that. There is the that for that what I'm I built this platform to help you out. All right, there are the lots of courses, like whether you can see if you are someone who do not have a lab in your college, like who is uh, you know studying in a private college, they do not have a facility of uh, it is a no not case like they don't have a soil lab and any of the lab. They have everything, but they don't have the facility to teach students. They are not interested in that. So still student is still those who want to learn these things. They can just click on that, just they can join this course. They can go for the nearby soil science lab, and they can join the lab by just clicking on to matching. And if you are a partner who want to be the partner on the platform, just you have to click, and who have a willingness to teach student, like who on the unit which is very scientifically oriented. So you can be the registered as a partner as well. It can generate a business for you, and it can generate the value for the student at the same time. So this is what AgriHands is all about. I hope you enjoy this whole conversation and this whole life. If you have still any of the doubt, you can jot down in the comment section. It's a fee for you. And I many doubt regarding with education, regarding with life, what is going on. Two people are watching. It's good to see you all. You are listening till the end from the starting to. So it's lovely to regarding with life, what is going on. Two people are watching. It's good to see you all. You are listening till the end from the starting to. So it's lovely to. Okay. Okay, should we end this live stream so that we can move ahead for the different things? You guys have any doubt? You may jot down your doubts in the comment section. It would be good for you. Okay, no doubt is coming, so that I do have to end this live stream here so that it would not be the longer for the viewers who will watch it after end this live stream. Thank you so much to join me. Thank you so much, guys, and